Hey guys, it's Miss Alexander, and today we are doing just a regular review for a Mod 4 test. The first thing we got to know is how to simplify. So I'm going to give us several fractions that we can do it with. I think I'm going to use green for simplification. So say I have 3/6. The first thing I do is I look at the 3 and I know the 3 can go into the 6. So I know I need to divide 3 over 3 because 3 can go in 3 one time and 3 into 6 goes 2 times. Now say I have 2 over 16. The first thing I see is that these are even numbers. So I'm going to go ahead and divide, and I'm going to divide 2 over 2, you guys. 2 goes into 2 one time, and 2 into 16 goes 8 times. So sometimes, say you have a number like this, 10 over 30. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I look at this and I see that 10 can go into 30 also. That's not a good example, you guys. Let's make this, nope. You guys, I can't think on the top of my head like this. So say I have 15. Okay, so it's okay. Oh, here we go. Say I have 12 over 18, you guys. I don't know what number I can pull out right away, but I see that they're both even. So I'm going to go ahead and quick pull a 2 out. Okay, 2 goes into 12, yes, 6 times. And 2 into 18, yes, 9 times. Now I have the 6 over 9, yes. I have to do it again because I can see that I need to pull out a 3. So I'm going to pull out 3 on both sides. 3 goes into 6 2 times, and 3 into 9 is 3 times. So I'm making equivalent fractions for my answers. So 3/6 is the exact same thing as 1/2. 2/16 is the exact same thing as 1/8. And 12/18, 6/9, and 2/3 are all equal. They're equivalent. So now we're going to jump to our next section, and it's converting a mixed number into an improper fraction. We're going to go yellow. So say I have 1 and 1/2, you guys. Remember, I take the denominator, multiply the whole number, and add the numerator, which equals 3 times 1. I put 2 times 1 is 2, and I add 1, which gives me 3. Then my answer is 3/2. It's the exact same thing, just improper. Say I have 5 and 6/7. Same thing, I take the denominator, multiply the whole number, and then I add the numerator. So I get 35 plus 6, which is 41. So it's 41 over 7. So mixed number into improper fraction. Now we're going to go do the other way, where we're going to start off with an improper fraction and work our way to a mixed number. So say I have 18 over 4. Okay, so this is where I need to see. So I'm going to do it this way. I take my denominator, make it the divisor, and I make my dividend my numerator. And now I write my multiples for 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. I see that 20 is there. I see I need this one. Now I count 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 here. I subtract the 16 and I get 2. So I have a remainder 2. So I have 4 and 2/4. And I see that the 2/4 I'm going to have to divide by 2. which gives us 1/2. So my final answer is 4 1/2. Okay, so let's try another one. Say I have I'm thinking, you guys, sorry. Say I have 21 over 13. So again, 13 is my divisor, 21 is my dividend. I write my multiples of 13, and 13 times 2 is 26. I see I just need the first one, and so I subtract 13. 13 and 11 minus 3 is 8, so I have a remainder 8. So my answer would be 1 8/13. So we just got to make sure when we're going from our improper fraction to our proper fraction, mixed number, improper to our mixed number, we do division. So let's quick go look at this. We're going to do the steps for multiplying a fraction. Step 1 is write your fraction out. 1/2 times 3/4, you guys. So all I do is multiply straight across. So I have 3 over 8. Ladies and gentlemen, I know that 3 doesn't go in 8, so I don't have to simplify. Now, say I have 1/2 times 3. I have to make sure this 3 turns into a fraction, so I'll go 1/2 times 3 over 1, which equals 3/2. And remember, if it's an improper fraction, I want you to turn it into a mixed number. So 2 goes into 3. That's where I come up over here and do it like this. 1, subtract 2, remainder 1. So it'd be 1 1/2. Now say I have the whole number first. Okay, again, I have to write it as a fraction and then multiply straight across. 4/5. And that's what this answer would be. So make sure you just multiply across. If you notice that your number, so say I have 1/2 times 3/6. Here I multiply across, I get 3/12. I know I have to divide 3 over 3 because 3 can go into both to get 1/4. So make sure if you need to simplify. Now we're going to jump over to division. Remember the steps. And I'm going to use our colors so you remember. We have keep. We have change. And then we have flip. Remember, this is the reciprocal. So if I have 1/2 times, oops, let's try that again. I apologize, you guys. So I have 2 times 1/2. I know I'm using the color so you can see it. I know I keep the 2, but I need to turn it into a fraction. So it's 2 over 1. And it all of a sudden hit me, we're dividing, and I wrote multiplication there. It's division, my bad, you guys. I need to change my division to multiplication. And then I need to take the reciprocal of my 1/2, which is 2 over 1. So this answer would be 4 because I do 2 times 1 and 2 times 2 and 4 times 1. So my answer is 4. Now say we have 1/3 divided by 5. So again, I keep the first number, the fraction. I change my sign, and I take the reciprocal of the 5. Now remember, the 5 is the same as 5/1. So I take the reciprocal, so I flip it. So I get 1/5. And my answer would equal 1/15. Now remember, if you ever get to a point where you have a number where you can divide and simplify, make sure you simplify. I hope this helped out just a little. Remember, while you're doing this, to smile, giggle, and wiggle, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.